welcome back to my channel. Before I continue the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the lonceng. Thank you. Hello guys, I have many cars and they want to climb up to the mountain. I will start with Bego car. Let's go climb the mountain. Wow, it's so up, 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 up and down. Whoa. It's so strong, guys. Bego car is so strong. Whoa. 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 Wow, Bego car is so strong. Whoa. And the truck car will catch up the Bego car. Let's go. The truck car will climb up the mountain. Whoa. It's not strong, guys. I will help it. It's finally truck car is arrived. Finally. And the third car will catch up them. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What the name of this car? Yeah, this is Molen car. Molen car will climb up to the mountain. Molen car, Molen truck car. Hey, finally! Hey, it's a strong car. Finally, Molen car is arrived. Let's go. Wow, Wow, Pertamina truck car. Pertamina truck car will catch up them also. Oh, it has combined color between white and blue. Yes, it's blue and white. This is Pertamina car. Let's go. Oi. Ah. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Woo. Pertamina truck car. Wait. Oh my god. It's not strong. Let's go, Pertamina truck. I believe that you're strong. Let's go. Whoa, Pertamina car is arrived. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like,